Hello everyone, it's Chris the Batman Statue Collector. Hope everybody is doing fantastic out there, and I am in the Batcave, but I'm actually going to do kind of a update for you guys, a room tour update sort of, in terms of what I'm going to do with the room next door. Now, it's right here in this door, or actually I'm thinking of maybe putting some sort of door right there to expand into the other room. Now, my wife has been incredible and said, hey, you could take over my craft room, I'm going to move my stuff elsewhere. That way I quit bothering her about it. So again, I'm very, very blessed. I'm very, very lucky to be able to do that because I've got this great space, but I am overflowing. My Batcave is a disaster right now. I'm going to show you this. You guys are going to be shocked by it. There is stuff everywhere. Part of the problem is I'm getting too much in at once. It's overwhelming. Number two, I've got parts everywhere. Number three, I am a YouTuber, video reviewer guy. So it's like I have constantly set up and changed things, and I've got stuff off to the sides that you guys don't see on camera. So this is sort of a behind the scenes chaos into the Batman Statue Collector. My cave doesn't usually look like this, but it's become this, and it's driving me nuts. So I'm going to have to take a lot of time, and I'm going to have to repair this Batcave. I'm going to have to take all this extra stuff out so it can start looking museum-like again, right? And again, you guys know that a while ago I kind of lost my focus on what I wanted my Batcave to look like. Still very much in a transition phase, but I'm going to show you this room. Again, the craziness that is this room right now. And again, I'm going to literally take everything out of here that's on the floor, that's on everywhere else, and try to reorganize myself. I'm going to show you the room next door, kind of what it is. Now, again, that room is also craziness. This basement, where I'm at right now, all of our nice stuff is upstairs. We kind of use this as kind of our, dumping zone, basically. Some of you can probably relate. Do you have a dumping room somewhere where you just kind of dump stuff? That's kind of what these rooms have become. And this room over here is my wife's craft room. Again, it's just stuff that from when we moved. There's still boxes from when we moved in there. I've got XM boxes on a scale in there. I've got stuff. So I'm going to show you all of that. Again, it's crazy, but I do want to show you kind of what the area looks like, because I need some help. I would love for one of you guys to help kind of design the space of what you think will work. My thought was that maybe this room right here could basically just be all 1/4, and that room could be all 1/3. But I think maybe I'm gonna have to kind of mix and match to make it all work. But I would love to have somebody help me with the layout if anybody is so inclined and wants to help me with that. You can do that, thebatmanstatuecollector@gmail.com. Okay, so I'm going to show you this room, I'm going to show you that room, and then we'll wrap it up. Okay, we're going to do this kamikaze style. There's a drill. Okay, there's like stuff I haven't hung up. There's Bane on the floor randomly. I've got boxes of crap everywhere. I've got a water bottle. Okay, there's a water bottle and other boxes and parts and art that I haven't having the time to frame yet. I've got stuff. Actually, this looks pretty good over here. Not too bad. I've got, again, craziness. This is all the stuff I got from the bat boxes and things that I haven't hung up. There's just, again, crap everywhere. There's parts. I've got parts literally everywhere. I've got bags of trash. I've got prototypes and statues that I don't know what to do with right now and where to put them. It's just like, this is not me. This is driving me absolutely crazy. All right, so let's go ahead and walk in here. And again, you guys know this as the 3-window room. And again, that's why. And again, like I said, there's literally stuff everywhere. All of this is about ready to be cleaned out of here. That is my goal. Again, just got all this craft stuff. I've got XM boxes. I've got my giant, awesome Jim Lee print. How great is this? It is just insane. You can tell how big it is compared to the office chair there. But again, just stuff. I just have stuff everywhere. So that is going to be my main mission, is to start cleaning this stuff out. And then I'm going to have to kind of have this blank slate. Let me kind of show you the floor. So the floor, this is actually a better floor than what I have in the other Batcave, because obviously it's solid. It's a little bit nicer. The other is carpet, which this gives me a little bit of an echo, which that's the only bad thing, obviously. But I just kind of want to give you, again, some ideas of what the wall is. So basically you walk in, it's got a big long wall here. Now that would back in right here. This is where, if I did punch a hole in the wall into the Batcave, because the Batcave is on the other side. So, either I'm going to have a hole here. I want you guys to let me know. What do you think? Do you think it would be a good idea to do that, or to have, two completely separate spaces in here? So I'm thinking right now, again, this goes to here. Goes across. I've got some electrical panels there, so that'll have to stay. And then I have this angled wall right here. And then again, a nice wall space here that I could put something in. So here's kind of my thinking. Again, I apologize for all the mess. So I thought, completely cover these windows up. Because again, I've got the dogs outside, the neighbor's dogs. That's why I didn't go in here originally. That might help with some of the noise. Obviously, they're not barking right now, which is a great thing. But I actually thought about having somebody come out and, basically, big like plywood or something on all of these walls, and then doing a shelf. Having a gap here, a gap here, a big gap here for something, a big gap here for something, and same on this wall. So obviously, though, that it would stick out. It would stick out pretty far to be able to do that. So that would really cut into this corner. But that would all be kind of like drywalled in sort of thing with lighting. I thought I could put my quarter scales on that possibly. For this space over here, I really thought that I could do something with my third scale. So let's say I don't punch a hole in the wall. I could maybe do a 2-tier, like a shelf here, a shelf down low, have statue, statues, statue, 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 all the way around, doing kind of like this U-shape thing. Obviously the shelf would probably have to stop like right here, but I thought I could even go like down and around or something if I wanted to do that. But again, it's a really, really big room. If I come over here and stand toward the corner, it is a big, big space. Got my Disney stuff over there, our family's Disney stuff. So again, there's a lot of room in here. This is actually maybe a little bit bigger than my current Batcave in terms of wall space. Again, my biggest goal is just going to be simply to clear all this out. And we're going to move a lot of it into another room. So she'll still have her space. And again, she's been gracious enough to be able to do that. Again, let me kind of come over here in this corner and just kind of show you kind of what the space looks like again. So I know maybe some of you haven't seen this space. So yeah, I've got a lot of work ahead of me to clean all this out, to move it out. But obviously once I do that, it's going to give us a better idea kind of what we can all do with this space, So there you guys have it again. Messy, right? It might have blown some of your minds, but that's kind of where I'm at right now. I just wanted to give you kind of an update where I'm at, what my plans are. Again, should I knock a big hole right here in the wall, or do you think I should do 2 separate rooms? I kind of like the idea of 2 separate rooms. Another part is like, if I do join the rooms together, this room's carpet, it's got a weird orange tile in here. I would have to take all of that apart and it wouldn't match the other room. So I'd have to completely do new flooring. My goal is to make this, again, a very beautiful museum and a good space to present on YouTube as well, because that's what I do here on YouTube. So anyway, that's kind of where I'm at. Let me know your thoughts, what you guys think, because again, it's so overwhelming. My mind is so focused on editing and doing videos and unboxings and everything else that a lot of this stuff has fallen behind, and so I need to get caught up. And I'm going to hold you guys, I need you guys to hold me accountable, okay? I need you guys to hold me accountable because I need some motivation to do all this stuff. Again, step 1, clear everything out of here. Step 2, clear everything out of the other room. I'm going to paint in there. I think I'm going to do paint in here also. I'm going to do like a darker gray in here, probably upgrade my TV and do a little bit bigger TV. Do you guys like that with the logo going in the background of the videos, or is it distracting? Let me know that as well. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. But then I'm going to do like a really dark gray in the other room, maybe white trim again. I really like the idea of the white cabinets just because I feel like they're a little bit more museum-like. But again, let me know what you guys think. Of course, it's going to be a 50-50, whatever you guys say down below. I know that, but I love to read your comments. So anyway, that's where I'm at. That's the update. Hopefully I will have a better update where I actually do a room tour. My plan is to do a room tour here real soon. I know you guys have been asking me. I will definitely do a room tour as well once I get all this crap cleaned up. Okay, so anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you with the next update here in the Batcave. Bye, everybody.
Hey guys, thank you so very much for watching today, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button right here on the screen and check out these 2 awesome videos. I think you're going to love them. And also please join us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I would love to have you join in all the fun. Thank you guys so very much for watching. See you in the Batcave.